Maintaining a clean and pristine pool is essential for enjoying a refreshing and hygienic swimming experience. In the realm of pool cleaning, the WYBOT M2 robotic pool cleaner is one of the most advanced and reliable options in the market today. Combining cutting-edge engineering, intelligent navigation, and powerful cleaning capabilities, the WYBOT M2 delivers a comprehensive and effortless cleaning experience, making it an essential tool for modern pool care. But before we move ahead, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell notification icon for upcoming review videos. The WYBOT M2 is built to deliver deep and consistent cleaning for a wide variety of in-ground pool types and surfaces, including vinyl, tile, fiberglass, and concrete. Powered by a high-torque dual-motor system, it boasts exceptional suction power that efficiently captures debris ranging from large leaves and twigs to fine sand and dust particles. Its rotating brush system scrubs the pool's floor and walls thoroughly, dislodging stubborn dirt and algae to ensure a crystal-clear result. What sets the M2 apart is its ability to handle various pool shapes and sizes. Whether your pool is rectangular, kidney-shaped, or custom-designed, the M2 can adapt to the terrain thanks to its advanced traction wheels and adaptable cleaning mechanism. Its wall-climbing capability adds an extra layer of value, enabling it to scrub up to the waterline, which is a frequent area for scum and residue buildup. One of the most appealing aspects of the WYBOT M2 is its intuitive and hassle-free operation. With a simple one-button start, users can activate the cleaner with minimal effort. There's no need for additional hoses, external pumps, or complicated installations. Whether you're tech-savvy or a first-time pool owner, the M2 offers a plug-and-play experience. When it comes to maintenance, the WYBOT M2 continues to shine. The device features a top-loading, high-capacity filter basket that collects debris and is easy to remove and clean. A transparent window allows users to see when the filter is full, eliminating guesswork and ensuring optimal performance. The durable outer shell and waterproof design also ensure longevity and reliability, even with frequent use. Charging the unit is straightforward and relatively fast, with a full charge taking just a few hours. In the rapidly evolving world of smart home technology, the WYBOT M2 robotic pool cleaner stands out as a powerful, intelligent, and user-friendly solution for pool maintenance. With its high-performance cleaning capabilities, smart navigation, cordless convenience, and eco-conscious design, the M2 transforms pool cleaning from a tedious chore into a simple, automated process. Whether you're a seasoned pool owner or new to maintaining your backyard oasis, the WYBOT M2 offers a reliable and efficient way to ensure your pool stays sparkling clean, all with the press of a button. Investing in the WYBOT M2 is not just about keeping your pool tidy, it's about reclaiming your time, reducing your effort, and enjoying your pool the way it was meant to be enjoyed, effortlessly. So this was all about today's review. Hope you like it. Product purchase link is in the description. Before leaving, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for upcoming review videos.